we have a digital literacy programs, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So we have a digital literacy program, which is both for our teens and as well as our elders. I'll start off with our teens. It's more of a community development, leadership skills, as well as helping others. Teaching them how to help others is a main focus as well.
Okay. And so you are trying to make the community digital stronger.
Yes.
So how do you approach this issue, and how do you try to solve it?
So we came up with this 3-letter ADS. ADS stands for access, digital, and skill. So once you have access to the digital, which is a computer, phone, laptop, whatever it is, that's access. Now you have the digital component of the laptop, learning skills. So then I can use that for the rest of your life, which is basic skills such as emails, how to send an email, how to read an email, how to find trash, how to find spam, what to look for in a spam that you don't want to open, because email is very tricky sometimes. This is where we get a lot of scams from. As well as we're teaching Zoom conferences, because now that we understand the world and how it's leading when it comes to telehealth, when it comes to basic classes, sometimes are on Zoom, and an elder who wants to learn ESL or maybe a citizenship class that's on Zoom, they have to know how to access Zoom. So that's why we step in and kind of help them towards learning.
Okay, that's amazing. And so how many courses do you teach?
I teach 6 courses.
6 courses. Okay, name them.
So we have mobile devices, computer devices, internet basics, cybersecurity basics. We have Zoom, and we have email basics.
Yeah. Okay. Zoom, which is like a video call.
Conference. Yes.
Video conference. And so I don't know anything about Gmail.
Yeah.
And I need to learn it. So what do I need to do first?
So first thing first, just come and step into our office, and we can help you with the first steps.
Okay, so when do they come? When does the clients come? And
so we have classes on Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 5 to 8. So from 5 to 8, sometimes maybe even longer if we have a larger class. So just depending on it, but from 5 to 8 is our class time.
5 to 8, yeah. Monday through Wednesday.
Monday through Wednesday.
So you are here all those 3 days?
Every day.
Good. And so they come in, and you give them a laptop, you give them a classroom, they work on it.
Yeah, we also have a cybersecurity specialist as well that knows more in depth if you have questions, such as like maybe if there's a software issue, how could you check? How do you know? Maybe if you have a question I can't answer, he can answer as well. So you get also experts help. You don't just come in and you just see me. You get experts help. You get our community's help. If we don't have the resources, we will look for the resources.
Wow, that's amazing. And how much does it cost?
Totally free, no charge.
Free. Wow, that's amazing. A lot of people
will be shocked when they hear that.
Yeah, because learning for digital, programs. But the goal is making people in the community have a skill, have a digital access. So when I learn the program and I finish it, and I don't have the access, like I don't have access to a computer or laptop, how do you help them?
So right now we work with a telecommunity, so we at least give them access to a tablet. So that's our main goal. So if a person has no access, we would work with them in finding them a tablet. We work with the telecommunity, and they're very great people. They help us out a lot, and yeah.
So once they finish the class, they qualify a tablet.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing, man. This is a program that is unique to Somali Community Center, where you come and learn a skill, one of the 6 skills that we're putting right here, and when you're done, you can get a tablet. Wow. What languages do you teach with this?
We teach English. We teach Somali.
Wow. So you get multilingual. And who are the beneficiary of this program?
The beneficiary of these programs is anyone over the age of 18. So anybody who's 18 and older that is looking to learn one of these skills, anytime Monday through Wednesday between 5 and 8, we will be here to help you guys.
Okay, this is what is about community. This where young teens coming out and teaching adults about digital and supporting the community through different means or innovative solutions. All right. Yes, brother. Thank you for what you're doing, man, and we support what you're doing. What else you want to add?
Just thank you so much, and glad to be here, man.
Thank you.